Welcome to start the topic of the Ford Falcon 1964, a classic American icon that stands as a true testament to vintage automotive style, engineering, and pure driving soul. Today we are taking a journey back to the 60s, the era when chrome was king. Design had bold character, and cars were built with a blend of simplicity and elegance that is hard to find today. The Ford Falcon 1964 is more than just a car. It's a time capsule, a symbol of freedom, cruising culture, and a beloved companion to drivers who wanted smooth power and timeless style without breaking the bank. When Ford introduced the Falcon, the goal was clear: build a compact, fuel-efficient, and reliable car that everyday Americans could afford. And the 1964 model took that vision to the next level, bringing refined styling, improved performance, and a slightly sportier attitude. The Falcon came in multiple body styles: sedan, hardtop, wagon, and the fan-favorite convertible, making it versatile for families, young drivers, and car enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, the Ford Falcon 1964 came with options like the dependable 2.8-liter inline-six and the more powerful 4.3-liter V8 for those who wanted extra punch. It wasn't built to be a racing monster, but the V8-powered models delivered impressive power for their time, offering smooth acceleration and a satisfying rumble that still brings a smile to classic car lovers. Paired with Ford's simple yet effective suspension and lightweight body structure, the Falcon offered a comfortable and enjoyable ride, ideal for long highways, weekend drives, and everyday cruising. On the inside, the Falcon's cabin was designed with simplicity and comfort in mind. Soft bench seats, chrome trim, a classic steering wheel, and clean dashboard layout bring you right back to the golden age of motoring. No screens, no digital clusters, just pure mechanical beauty, analog gauges, and craftsmanship that feels alive. Every sound, every vibration, every turn of the key reminds you that you are connected to the machine. That's the charm a modern car cannot recreate. In the collector world today, the 1964 Ford Falcon has earned strong respect. It's appreciated for its reliability, easy maintenance, and timeless look. Whether restored to factory condition or customized with modern upgrades, it holds a special place in the hearts of muscle and classic car fans. Affordable compared to many classics, it remains a great entry point into vintage car ownership. So if you admire clean lines, old-school vibes, and a car with real history, the Ford Falcon 1964 deserves your attention. It's a piece of American automotive heritage, graceful, dependable, and forever stylish. This was review time. Thanks for joining. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more legendary car reviews.